So this is a quick unboxing of a dual wireless microphone speaker kit for any conference room. I'm really excited about this product because I believe it's one of the unique products out there to give you a bigger coverage with a wireless solution. So you're talking about, a 5-minute installation to get audio to the table. So let's go ahead and get into this here. So as you can see in our kit here, got some basic information, but it looks like we have our USB cable, which this is actually really for charging, or you can do a direct connect to the PC. And then you've got your USB, a secondary one of those. So you can charge both of these mics. They hold a charge to put those out on the table truly wirelessly, or you can actually physically plug them in. Our side over here, we've got our wireless antenna. And so what this simply is whatever PC you're using in that conference room for your meetings, you simply plug this in. Obviously you'd screw on the antenna, and this is what you sync up your transmit and receive with these wireless microphones. So lastly, it looks like we have a couple power bricks that come with it to help, so you can charge the units up. So I kind of see it where you have these off to the side, maybe charging, and you bring them out for conferences. Or you could just as easily have them plugged in all the time with a power connector at the conference table. But these units are really nice, and they pair up. Like I said, these will run about 4 hours on a charge. And these have both a speaker unit and 3 microphone elements on each. So you're looking to be able to pick up, probably with these two, a conference table of probably around 12 to 14 people without a problem. But you can also use this in a smaller space just to get really, really good audio. Well, thanks for checking out our unboxing, and please contact our sales team if you have any interest. Thanks.